Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making a refreshing homemade lemonade recipe that is perfect for the hot summer months. Let's get started. We're using 2 pounds of lemons to make the lemonade. We're going to start by slicing each lemon into 2, and then we're going to use a lemon squeezer to squeeze out all the lemon juice into a measuring cup. Once all the lemons have been squeezed out, set the juice aside for later. Then we're going to make a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a pan over medium heat. Mix everything together and allow the mixture to cook and simmer for about a minute or until the sugar has completely dissolved into the water. Once that is done, take the pan off the heat and allow the mixture to cool completely. You can place it in the fridge to cool faster. Once the syrup has cooled completely, go ahead and pour it all into a pitcher. Next, grab the freshly squeezed lemon juice, then pour it into the pitcher. Next, we're going to add a whole lot of ice cubes. Then we're going to fill the pitcher with some ice water. You can add as much water as you want according to how sweet you want your lemonade. Make sure you stir and taste the lemonade as you keep adding the water. We're going to finish with some slices of lemon, then the lemonade is ready to be enjoyed. The lemonade came out so refreshing, delicious, and satisfying. This is the perfect drink for the hot summer months. If you guys would like to make this refreshing homemade lemonade, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.